This is a professional factory which specializes in modification to refrigerated truck.
We focus on every aspect of this process, creating reliable transportation equipment. The workshop has advanced modification equipment. Each piece of equipment is useful in different ways. This makes it easy to modify to suit specific needs. Experienced technical teams ensure that key processes are done properly. This means that each modified vehicle can keep its functionality very well. We offer professional services for every step of the process. From choosing a model to making custom changes, our high-quality work has earned us the trust of many customers and partners.
If you are interested in refrigerated parts, feel free to contact us for more details. Vacarfull is looking forward to your messages.